Here are the top 10 most expensive rare LEGO collections, along with their estimated worth. Number 10th LEGO Minifigure Series 10. Mr. Gold, worth $6,827.43 to $7,395.33. This rare LEGO minifigure features a chrome gold finish and was released in 2013 as part of the LEGO Minifigure Series 10 collection. Only 5,000 were produced, making it highly valuable among collectors. Number 9. LEGO Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom exclusive. T-Rex, worth $6,925.21 to $7,979.46. This rare LEGO set features a T-Rex figure and was released as a promotional set in 2018. Its exclusivity and rarity have driven up its value over time. Number 8. LEGO Castle 1978 variant, worth $9,790.96 to $9,900. This vintage LEGO set features a medieval castle theme and has become highly valuable due to its rarity and age. Number 7. LEGO Cars, worth $7,685.01. This rare LEGO set features 3 cars and was given away to attendees of the LEGO Inside Tour in 2010. Only 33 sets were produced, making it highly valuable among collectors. Number 6. LEGO exclusive Iron Man and Captain America, worth $7,979.46. This rare LEGO set features exclusive minifigure versions of Iron Man and Captain America. Only 125 sets were made, and it was given away at the New York Toy Fair in 2012. 5. LEGO Star Wars Cloud City, worth $8,814.17 to $9,999.99. This LEGO set recreates the iconic Cloud City from the Star Wars franchise. It includes 7 minifigures and has become highly valuable due to its rarity and exclusivity. Number 4. LEGO Old Kirks House, worth $9,271.46 to $10,000. This LEGO set is a replica of the House of LEGO's founder, Ole Kirk Christensen. Only 32 hand-numbered copies were produced, making it highly valuable among collectors. 3rd LEGO UNICEF van, worth $10,421.12. This rare LEGO set was released in 1985 in collaboration with UNICEF. Its exclusivity and rarity have driven up its value over time. Number 2. 14-karat solid gold 2x4. LEGO brick, worth $15,000. This solid gold LEGO brick was created between 1979 and 1981 and given to LEGO employees who completed 25 years of service. Only a handful of these bricks were produced, making them extremely rare and valuable. And our best top number. 1. LEGO San Diego ComicCon 2013. Spiderman, with price value of $14,494.53 to $17,253. This rare Spider-Man minifigure was given away for free at the 2013 San Diego Comic-Con event to raffle winners. Only 350 units were made, making it highly valuable among collectors. If you enjoy watching our best top 10, like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.